Hi guys, and welcome to Learn Android Quickly Beginner Essentials. This is Jeff Benning from Bag of Tricks Studios. Thank you for joining. The goal of this course is to teach you the most commonly used Android features, the thing that every app on the market uses. These are the things that every app you make will have, and for this course we're starting with the basics. We're going to create a single app that will contain all of these features. It will be a one-stop shop that you can come back to and reference whenever you need, and when you're working on your own personal app. The great benefit of this is that you can come back and see working code on how to accomplish tasks like, say, saving input to the user's device. You won't need to Google around for an answer or try to remember that one time you did that thing a while ago that you kinda need to do something similar with again. You know what I mean. I'm going to show you how to start up your emulator and lay out your screens. I'm going to show you how you can gather input from one activity and send that information to another activity. I'm going to show you how to save data to the device that can be loaded later. In this app, we do this two different ways. We save this bicycle data with brand name, wheel size, and whether or not it has a flat tire. And we save preference data, like this running counter that remembers how many times this button was clicked. You're going to learn how to use fragments in order to create reusable blocks of views that can be easily shown to the user and seamlessly swapped out with other fragments. Then I'm going to show you how your activities can talk to your fragments and your fragments can talk to your activities. At the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of the most essential parts of an Android app. The point of this course is to teach you how to learn Android quickly. This is what I wanted when I started Android. I wanted to get the essential stuff now and figure out the other parts as I went. Getting large amounts of information at one time, for me, is not the best way to learn. I like being taught what I have to know so that I can spend my time on the things I want to know. This way you can get your app up and running with the essentials so you can decide how to make your app unique. Lastly, at the end of this course, along with your working Android app, you will get a cheat sheet with all of the most important code we went over. If you want to make a button but can't quite remember the XML code to write it up, take a look at the cheat sheet and it's right there. Did you forget how to load a preference? It's all on there. You'll also have full access to the source files and the complete project at the end. Thank you for starting, and I hope you like this course.